Hey y'all, welcome to my channel or welcome back. If you are new here, thank you so much for joining us. If you are returning, you already know it. You are fabulous. All right, so today's video, this is episode, oh my goodness, I do this every time, y'all. This is episode 65. Yes, this is episode 65 of our 365-day daily devotionals. This is the daily devotional called Jesus Calling by Sarah Young. It is absolutely fantastic. It is something that I hold very special to my heart. It's just very special. If you've missed any of the episodes previous to this one, I do have a playlist in the description box, and I guess that's it. So let's get started. Okay, number 65. Let me give you guys the verses for today. We got some really good verses for today. I have looked over it just a little bit. Let me give you all those verses. I like to do that so that you can just kind of go back and see how the Lord uses these verses throughout your day. Okay. All right, here we go. Make friends with the problems in your life. Well, we're starting out. We're getting right down to where the rubber meets the road, ain't we? First thing. Make friends with the problems in your life. Though many things feel random and wrong, remember that I am sovereign over everything. I can fix everything into a pattern for good, but only to the extent that you trust me. Let me say that again. I can fix everything in a pattern for good, but only to the extent that you trust me. Think about that for a minute. Every problem can teach you something, transforming you little by little into the masterpiece I created you to be. The very same problem can become a stumbling block over which you fall if you react with distrust or defiance. The choice is up to you, and you will have to choose many times each day whether to trust me or defy me. The best way to befriend your problems is to thank me for them. The simple act opens your mind to the possibility of benefits flowing from those difficulties. You can even give persistent problems nicknames, helping you to approach them with a familiarity rather than with dread. The next step is to introduce them to me, enabling me to embrace them in my loving presence. I will not necessarily remove every problem, but my wisdom is sufficient to bring good out of every one of them. My goodness, what a good one. The best way to befriend your problems is to thank me for them. This simple act opens your mind to the possibility of benefits flowing from your difficulties. I want you to know without a doubt in my mind, I know that I have learned some of my best life lessons from some of the worst things that can possibly happen to you. But I ask God for that wisdom. I do not want to go through life. I don't know how to explain it really. I don't want to miss any blessings. And I feel like the Lord, helping you through your problems is a huge blessing. So I just don't want to go through life nonchalantly, not paying attention, not getting anything out of the things that go on. I want to learn, and I want to know, and I want to draw closer to the Lord, because I know that that is the safest, best place for me. Ask the Lord for discernment. Discernment is understanding. Ask the Lord to help you understand your problems, or ask the Lord to open those doors to make good come from your problems. Believe that that is a possibility. You have to believe that, though. Yeah. All right, let's do the verses. We are assured and know that God, being a partner in their labor, all things work together and are fitting into a plan for good to those who love God and are called according to his design and purpose. Romans 8:28. And that one is from the Amplified version. So there's a couple extra little words in there, but yeah. But we preach Christ crucified, a stumbling block to the Jews and the foolishness to Gentiles. But to those whom God has called, both Jews and Greeks, Christ the power of God and the wisdom of God. 1 Corinthians 1:23 through 24. Man, this was a good one. Make friends with your problems. I mean, has that even ever crossed your mind? That maybe, just maybe, what you're going through right now seems awful and there's no hope and there's just no way out and you just don't know what to do. Turn to God. Give it to God. Thank him for it if you can. And ask him to show you and to bless you through your problems. I promise you, he will. All right. If you guys have enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. It definitely helps my channel. Don't forget to share this with your friends and family and subscribe. That would be awesome. Plus, hit that notification bell so that you will know each time I upload a new video. All right, guys. Thank you so much for being with me today. I really, truly mean that. I look forward to these every day, and I just hope that you guys... Listen, I pray over these before I ever even start because I don't ever want to say anything that the Lord did not intend to be said today. So please just know that whatever I do say or my opinions on it, they might not be just exactly right, but they're definitely from the heart. I wish the best for all of you. I pray that all of you would get close to God and know his peace and love and comfort. I would literally lose my mind right now if it were not for God. There's not a doubt bone in my body that says God is not holding me very close to him right now. I still break down. I still have my moments. But just being able to get up and get going and take care of my other kids is a blessing from God. And I'm glad that I know that. Like I said, I don't want to go through life blindly. I don't want to have those worldly blinders on. I want to see God's blessings. I ask for God's blessings. And I believe in that. All right. Thank you so much for being with me today. And y'all have a great day. I said great day. I always say blessed day. Always. For like 2 years, I've said y'all have a blessed day. Where in the world did great? You know what? Y'all have a great day today. I seriously hope you do. All right. Y'all have a blessed day.